One of the fastest growing recipe in popularity nowadays, definitely Nando's peri peri chicken. I'm going to make Nando's peri peri chicken, which is an African barbecue chicken recipe introduced in Africa by the Portuguese. You can win the heart of your loved one who like spicy food by serving them fresh peri peri chicken prepared at home. Hey guys, there is Muhammad Khan and welcome to MK Perfect Delight. Let's start by making the sauce to marinate the chicken. This goes straight into the grinder. 1 teaspoon smoked paprika. It imparts a smoky aroma and flavor to the dish, not add spicy heat as well. 1 tablespoon oregano. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 tablespoon vinegar. 4 garlic cloves. 1 tablespoon lemon zest. 50 grams capsicum yellow. 4 peri peri chilies. And finally 4 tablespoon lemon juice. The traditional recipe of chicken peri peri does not call for a lemon juice, but I love adding. Now this need to be ground into super fine paste. The spices mix is ready, set aside. Now let's move on to marinate the chicken. I am going to take these pieces of chicken and give it a few cuts. Let's transfer these pieces of chicken in a large bowl and add spicy sauce and make sure mix this nicely because this mixture is going to be extremely strong with the extra peri peri sauce. And cover with clear wrap. Keep it for marinate in the fridge for at least 1 hour, preferable overnight. This will help tenderize the chicken pieces. Take few pieces of wood charcoal and place them on the gas burner and heat them till they are red. Keep the aluminum cup in the middle of marinate chicken pieces and take the burning charcoal pieces in a aluminum cup. Pour some olive oil on the charcoals and as soon as they start emitting smoke, cover the marinade ball with a lid. Let it smoke for 30 minutes. Now smoke for 30 minutes. It's roughly been an hour. Let's quick check the chicken. Well, perfectly done. This is also cooled down. Now let's heat up the grill pan and spread some olive oil. I am going to lift these chicken pieces and carefully place them in the grill pan. Keep turning the pieces of the chicken and make sure they are brown all sides. Don't overcrowd the pan, otherwise it may be just start releasing a lot of moisture. Well, I can comfortably place in around 4 pieces. You can be your best judge according to the size of your pan. Nando's peri peri chicken absolutely ready. So I am just going to serve them. If you want Nando's peri peri chicken better than Nando's, give this a try. Follow the recipe. If you like this recipe and you think it's an awesome taste in your mouth, subscribe to my channel for more great video. Like this video and share with your friends. Until next time, take care. God bless everyone.